guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to be using my size 4mm hook and my measuring tape, and I'm also going to be using this leftover yarns that I've had for a while. So I'm going to be mixing the two colors together just because I want to have a little bit of artistics. So you can use one color of your choice, or you can decide to mix two colors. It all depends on you. So to get started, you're going to start by measuring around your waist to get the length you want for the top. So you're just going to measure around your waist and make a chain that is going to be wide enough to give you your waist measurement. So I'm going to start by making a chain of 124, and I'll show you guys how many inches that is. Also, try to make sure you're working in multiples of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I did a total of 124 chains, which gave me 32 inches. Now I'm just going to join the two ends together. So I'll make one extra chain, making it a total of 25. Now I'm just 125. Now I'm just going to join the two ends together with a single crochet. Now for the first row, I'm going to be working with one double crochet in each stitch. So chain 3, which serves as my first double crochet. Now go into the next stitch with one double crochet. Go into the next stitch with one double crochet. So I'm just putting one double crochet in each stitch. So it's a bit tricky when you're joining two yarns together because it can get all tangled up. But just keep on putting one double crochet in each stitch till you get to the end of the round, and we'll go to the next step. Now I've come to the end of the first row, and I'm going to slip stitch into the chain 3 I did at the beginning of the round. For the next row, which is the second round, I'm going to start by chaining 3. Now I'm going to be working with the rib stitch, so I'm working with the front and back post. So yarn over and go into the front post with one double crochet. So I'm working with the front and back post double crochet. Now yarn over and go into the back post with one double crochet. So I'm just going to do this slowly in case you don't really know how to do the rib stitch. So you're going to yarn over, go into the front post, yarn over and pull through. I have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So that's a front post rib stitch. For a back post rib stitch, you're going to yarn over and go into the back post, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So now you're just going to keep on alternating between the front post and the back post with one double crochet till you get to the end of the round. I've come to the end of the second row. So the last stitch is a front post. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the chain 3 I did at the beginning of the round. For the third row, I'm going to repeat the second row. So chain 3. Now in the front post stitch, go in with a front post stitch. So go into the front post with 1 double crochet. Now go into the back post with 1 double crochet. So wherever you see a front post, go in with a front post double crochet, and wherever you see a back post, go in with a back post double crochet. So go into the front post with 1 double crochet, go into the back post with 1 double crochet. So you're just going to continue with this till you get the length that is long enough to cover your bust, or wide enough to cover your bust. It all depends on the length you want, and then I'll show you what to do next. So I'll just do a few more rows of this, and then we'll move on to the next step. So I did a total of 20 rows of the rib stitch. Now for the next row, I'm going to be doing something different, although I'll still be working with the rib stitch. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now yarn over and go into the 2 front posts. So we are joining 2 stitches as one. So go into the 2 front posts with 1 double crochet. Now yarn over and go into the 2 back posts with 1 double crochet. Yarn over, go into 2 front posts with 1 double crochet. Yarn over, go into 2 back posts. So you're going into this back post that is in the middle of these 2 front posts. So go into the back post between these 2 front posts and the next back post with 1 double crochet. Go into the next 2 front posts with 1 double crochet. Go into the back post between the 2 front posts and the next back post. Sorry. Go into 2 front posts with 1 double crochet. Go into the back post between these 2 front posts and the next back post. Go into 2 front posts with 1 double crochet. So you're just going to continue with this till you get to the end of this round. Going to the back post and the next one with 1 double crochet. Going to the next 2 front posts with 1 double crochet. Going to the back post between these 2 front posts and then the next back post with 1 double crochet. I've come to the end of this round and I'm going to slip stitch into the chain 3 I did at the beginning of the row. Now for the next row, I'm going to chain 3. In the front post, go in with 1 double crochet. In the back post, go in with 1 double crochet. So from here on, you're going to continue with what you've been doing since the beginning of the top. You're just going to keep on alternating between the front and the back post. So in the front post, go in with 1 double crochet. In the back post, go in with 1 double crochet. So just keep on alternating between the front post and the back post till you get the length you want for your top. So if you noticed in the previous row, we joined 2 front posts together, 2 front posts together, 2 front posts together. But from here on, you're just working with the front and the back post. So go into the back post with 1 double crochet. Go into the front post with 1 double crochet. Go into the back post with 1 double crochet. Go into the front post with 1 double crochet. So continue with this till you get the length you want for your top. So for the lower part of the top, I did a total of 15 rows. So you can do a few more rows if you want the top to be longer, or if you want the top to be shorter, you can reduce the amount of rows you do for the bottom part of the top. So now for the strap. So for the strap, you're going to mark off where you want your strap to be, and as you can see, I already did 1 strap. So I'm going to show you guys how I did the strap on this side. So I used this to mark off where I want my strap to be. Now I'm going to start by tying my yarn at this end where I used a stitch marker. Now I've tied my yarn, I'm going to start by chaining 1. Now put 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2 and 3. I have 3 single crochet. So for the next row, I'm going to chain 1 and turn over. Now in the first single crochet, go in with 1 single crochet. And the next single crochet, go in with 3 single crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. Skip this last single crochet, just chain 1 and turn over. So I didn't put any stitch in the last single crochet, I just worked with the first 2 single crochet. So I did 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 3 single crochet in the next stitch. Now chain 1 and turn over. In the first single crochet, go in with 1 single crochet. In the next single crochet, which is the next stitch, go in with 3 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and turn over. Put 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Put 3 single crochet in the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and turn over. In the first stitch, go in with 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, go in with 3 single crochet. Chain 1, turn over, put 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 3 single crochet in the next stitch. So you're just going to continue with this till you get the length you want for your strap. And this is what the strap looks like. For the strap, I did a total of 23 rows. So You can make your strap longer or shorter, it all depends on you. So now I'm going to join the strap to this other end, so try to make sure your strap isn't twisted. So I'm just going to mark off where I want to join the strap and join it to the body of the top with a single crochet. So I'm done with the top and I'm just going to cut off the stray yarns and weave in the yarns that needs to be weaved in. So that's it for this tutorial, and this is what the top looks like. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. So thank you so much for watching once again.